that's the reason the commissioner asked her, why are you contradicting your own complaint? Either you go mutually, you're not interested in living with your husband, go mutually, or if you're keen, don't file a 498. No, I've been harassed. Okay. So this 498 especially was filed when the High Court was in the holidays, in May. The courts go for holidays, so they function only Mondays, and the next functioning day is Friday. So in between it's a holiday. So on a Monday afternoon in May 7th, a 498 is filed against me and my family. And my wife says I'm accused one, which is a wonderful term. Calling a husband as accused one is really beautiful. So it pains a lot even to think about all these things now. So she accuses me and my family members, and after that we moved for anticipatory bail, and session course gives a day on May 30th as a mediation day. So on May 30th it's an unforgettable day for me, because I get to see my son for the very first time, Golden. After nearly a year he's born, I'm able to see him. And thanks to the justice system, that at least then it was possible. Because earlier the family court judge asked the girl to bring the child and show to me, but she did not. She brought the kid when I was not in town, and it was like tormenting me. But anyway, fine, I never took any of this as a big thing. But on May 30th I got to see my son for the very first time, and after that when I explained to the justice what has happened, and there was no reason for her to file a 498, the reason that was given, I asked, why was a 498 filed when the girl wants to come and live with me? For that, the reason that was given was they're trying to hurry up the case, it seems. How can you hurry up a case when you file a 498? I don't understand this. So they've always been whimsical with their answers, just doing for the public. They would just say they want to live unconditionally with the husband, but they never did anything appropriate or anything. They never even moved their pinky toe, They never moved a nail to get back and live. Anyway, so that was done. And when I showed the adjudication that whatever proceedings had taken place in the family court to the other judge who was granting the bail, he was shocked to read the last statement of the judge saying that both are reporting, to join together, and both of them are going to give a memo to the effect, an affidavit, stating that they're withdrawing, saying blah 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 and all that. So he said, when all this is clearly is written in the family court, what is the necessity for you to file a 498? It doesn't make sense. And then the judge went on and said, women are a little crazy, that maybe emotionally, or maybe she's been wrongly advised, so you should not take. I said, right now I lost my faith in my wife. She's got time till June 18. Let her take the effort. Let her take some effort as to come back to me and say, okay, fine, I want to live with you. But trust me, 18 days has gone, from May 1st, from June 1st till June 18th, not even a call, not even an SMS, nothing. So again, it shows, this shows the attitude of the girl, as she genuinely doesn't want, and all the only interest in my money. Because on one side, a lot of pressure, people are saying, no, you just give 50 crores and, matter can be settled outside court. Why you go to court? Why should, your name is getting, destroyed if you're getting a bad name. Because every time these people have gone and given a false image to the press, and that in turn the press, people believe girl most of the time. So press thought maybe I was wrong, that I can be a evil guy, I can be a person. Maybe I would harass this girl for money, and all the sympathy was towards the girl. But I always believed in God. I always strongly believed in Him, that He always, tests people who believe in Him. He always tests them because He wants to know whether the belief is true or not. That's what it's my inner feeling. And He really put me through testing times. He put my family through testing times. And suddenly, there's a saying in Tamil called, if the house splits in two, then the entire town rejoices. People immediately start coming and saying, I know about this, I know about that family, this family is so bad. So a lot of people come out and say a lot of things. So when a lot of people started saying, about the girl and the family, saying that they are not up to the mark, they are bad, and this is what their habits are, I never paid any heed, because I thought maybe people are trying to split me and my wife. But out of the blue, one friend of mine calls and says, I just checked this website on the net, and he gave me a register, the Tamil Nadu registry. They have an online site. It's www.tnreginet, reginet.net, and it's a site where you can see your income residency certificates or your marriage certificates. And he said, I saw your wife's name in the site. I didn't want to believe it first, but he was so confident and he put the phone down. I said, okay, fine. And I tried the site. And at 3 in the morning, I didn't want to actually check, but something told me, instincts played up on. At 3 in the morning, I browsed the site and I saw that this girl has already earlier been married to one Mr. Narayana Prasad, and the marriage was solemnized in 1998, and that's 30/11/1998, and the marriage was registered on 30/12/1998. It was a very big blow, and I was stunned, speechless. I didn't know what to do, because one side I wish it was, not hoping it was not true. I thought I was wishing it would be a bad dream. Another side, reality is stuck in my face. Next day morning, I told my lawyers. My lawyers went to the register office, checked, and they came out saying that it's true. Meanwhile, the press was getting hint of it, so I had to make a press statement, and I released the documents. And when I released the documents and I made a police complaint, I wanted them to investigate whether this is true or not. And the girl comes out saying that what I've done is a forgery, and I've falsely loaded the documents, So she went and filed a criminal complaint against me, saying that I arrest my husband for his brought dishonor to me, and he's falsely forged a document and all that. My friends, I know that even if I apply for a divorce, that will only take 2 years, but if I get caught in a fraudulent case, it's 7 years.